Hello guys, Lauren here. Shout out to my Facebook friends, Berlin chili growers. This is for you, especially for those who are just started their hobbies growing chilies or something else. So, as you can see here are chili seedlings, and yeah, our topic for today is this is the right time to transplant your chili seedlings or any seedlings because they still don't have root bounds. Their root system now is just like elongated or long or sometimes short, but it's not yet root bound. So if you transplant on this stage, they will not get stress after transplanting. So these are the chilies that I transplanted 2 days ago. They are already looking good. Yeah, if they gonna survive, they will produce their true leaves after 2 weeks, I think. And I'm gonna show you here the things or eggplants that I transplanted on March 1. They are not chilies, guys, but they are in the same family. They are all nightshades. Yeah, they are tiny, but as you can see, they are okay. And here are also tomatoes that I transplanted again in March 1. And as you can see, they are already producing their true leaves. I made this video because I believe that there are still people who are just started their hobby growing chilies, tomatoes, or eggplants and things. This might be a reference on how or when to prick or transplant their seedlings. So I hope you will get a little bit idea from this video. And yeah, I'm sharing this because I'm doing this for 7 years, guys, and it works for me. If you do it right, it also works for you. But since we are different people, we have our own styles, isn't it? So guys, I hope you will get at least a little bit idea from this. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it will help you a little bit. And again, thank you very much. God bless you all. Hope you like it. This is Lauren from Lauren's Garden. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.